We freaking out here, bro.
What's up, man?
Let's go. Yeah, it's been a minute. Let's go. We're freaking out here. Hey, you talking that smack over here, boy? Hey, long time no see. What's good, man? Bro, the street tires, these are actually hybrids, so it's like, it's 70% street, 30% dirt. Say what? That's a Renegade, yeah. It sounds like a beast, bro. What's good?
On the hoagie, bro.
On the hoagie.
It's not a Honda, bro. It's not a Honda.
Hey, at least it ain't shaking as much anymore.
You wanna know why? This time,
You put zip tied on the back.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, Lord.
Upgrade, dude. Big upgrade, you know what I'm saying?
Yes, sir.
We got it all.
Hey, is that treehouse still here?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's still here.
Chilling, watching them. And
You said they're looking for a girl?
Some girl, yeah.
Like ran away or like?
I don't know. The thing is, I've been seeing a lot of posts everywhere, like on Instagram, Snapchat, about some girl.
Oh. Let me see what they're doing. Alright, so we got a Renegade. It's like, I don't know what it is, 750, 800 cc. And he's about to pop that thing up. Woo! Hey, don't car! Car! I was like, dude, don't. Like, Renegade work, bro. I want to see him like hop on the seat and shit. There we go. A little. Holy crap, bro! He almost in the bushes. Yeah, you gotta bring it back higher. You got a foot brake?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, you're chilling.
Brake controls all 3 brakes.
Can I wheelie that?
You know how to use it? You know how to use it?
Well, I mean, I know how to ride a quad. You got reverse and?
Yeah, right here. So reverse, neutral, high, low.
All right, let me reverse it.
So look, there's eco, normal, and then sport mode.
Yeah, keep it in sport. Whatever got torque.
Sport and then low. So reverse out of here.
Reverse. All right. I appreciate you letting me.
For safety, put your foot either right there or right here.
Yeah, I'll put it right here.
Just pop it up.
Hey, what CC is this?
850.
Oh, shit, 850. Look at my bike. Oh, I'm leaking.
I got it. I'll hold it up.
I'm leaking gas. So you said, hey, put it in low?
Yeah.
This is hard to pick up. Holy crap. I won't be able.
Wherever it goes, it goes. Yeah, wherever it goes, it goes. You can't control where it goes. And then whenever you go fast on cars.
That's what I'm saying. It like slides and turns.
Yeah.
I appreciate that, bro. Bro.
Yeah. We're gonna keep riding around.
Yeah, for sure. What's good, bro?
What's on, man?
Got the coaster out here?
Oh, yeah.
Let's go.
But just this damn shot.
Oh, is that why you got the brick in, or the wood in there?
Yeah.
Damn, you're casing, brother.
Yeah, this chain popped and broke it.
What's wrong with the spring? It's just too loose?
Yeah. Trying to figure out how to tighten it.
Huh?
Is that you flying down to there?
Yeah, well, I'm doing wheelies and
Oh, shit.
then I got the street tires on, so in the sand it's a little sketchy.
I can't get no grip in this one.
Yeah, I feel that. I feel that. Bro, I'm like loving and hating these off-road or these street tires off-road. Like, I have mixed opinions. The front gets sketchy, like right here I'm just sliding around, and yeah. Is this like how it comes, or did you extend it?
The person I got it from extended it.
He extended it, right?
Cut the back out and extended it.
Wow. Is that a 212 Predator? Or, yeah. Let's go.
The original motor on the other one, but I got the same setup.
There's a 125 on there or 110?
No, 196.
Oh, you're talking about your mini bike?
Yeah.
Ah, okay, okay. I had to scrape it for y'all, you know? Can I see that?
That was nice. The only thing I got the scraping part. Did I get it? No.
No, you're way too soon. And did you get the beginning, that no-hinder and shit? Let's hit some freaking trails. I want to see who's popping out. There's a lot of people out here, and as you heard, there's some copper. Oh, I see some smoke. There's some coppers out here. All right, we're about to be in the sandy section on street tires. Woo! Oh, this is that real sandy shit right here, bro. Wow! Holy crap. Oh my gosh. Alright. Street tires in sandy conditions is sketchy, bro. I'll tell you that right now. Ah! Yeah. It's definitely more sketchy riding street tires. Let's take a look at this little freaking treehouse we got going on here. Oh damn, they removed it, eh? They removed the upper deck. That's crazy. It really doesn't, the grip ain't like too bad on the back, to be honest, bro. It's just that front tire be sliding like crazy in the sand. Alrighty gang, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Shout out, just exploring the lot, having a good time, shredding with the freaking homies that are out here. Remember, stay motivated. I freaking love you. And merch in the description down below. And yeah, dude, I feel like I'm on a rodeo right now going through this. Alright, till next time, I love you. Peace.